HQ, Station 5, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial for a switchblade. Now if you have a double kick, you can do it on either end of the board, it works fine, but for single kicks, you're going to want to have the board backwards. Basically what you're going to do is, you're going to have your foot like that, and basically just use your ankle to spin the board 180, and you're going to use your back foot to kick it out. And then turn it back around like that. So, hope you found that useful. See you later.